is Denise Mac Giolla Rí. I'm based in AIT at Lone Institute of Technology, and I teach on the Creative Art programme in social care. So my case study looks at the use of formative feedback with using Student Diary Pro on their placement. The Student Diary Pro approach was facilitated in a way that tutors would engage with students with their entries that they would submit online. So students would submit based on learning goals based on competencies, and would submit. Once they submitted, they were given feedback, and the feedback then students were encouraged to change their entries based on that feedback. So the feedback approach worked by us providing pre-placement hours prior to the students going on placement, which introduced the students to the Student Diary Pro online e-portfolio within Moodle. So the pre-preparation classes went through the Student Diary Pro tool and offered the students an opportunity to engage reflectively and was able to offer them feedback within those preparation classes. So when they went on placement, that they were familiar with the Student Diary Pro tool, and they were also familiar with the reflection tool, the reflective writing, so that they were able to engage in a way that was expected of them within the assignment. The students were required to submit 9 entries based on 9 competencies. So the students were to receive feedback on all those 9 competencies entries online. Overall, I think the Student Diary Pro approach to feedback was positive in relation to the students' engagement with the tool. The students responded well enough, I think. They liked the tool, as I said, but they had difficulty with reflection. My top tips for the introduction of feedback within Student Diary Pro would be the provision of hours for tutors so that they have the capacity to engage at a very deep level with the formative feedback process with the students. I think also the provision of multimedia submissions within Student Diary Pro is also something to be encouraged. Some students find writing difficult, but some students would find the opportunity to talk about their experiences may deepen their learning and may encourage more writing out of that experience of talking about it. So the submission of multimedia may be useful.